Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a Discord account on your phone. So to make an account, first of all you have to just go and download Discord. So let's go to Play Store here. If you're using iPhone, then you can just go to the App Store, right, and let's download it. So I've already downloaded it. I will just update it. You can just download it now, and then you will get this option to open from here. Now once you just go and open up your Discord here, it will just open, it will ask you to register. So to make a Discord account, I have to just go and click on register. You can make an account by using your phone number or just go to your email address. So I will use my email address here. Now once you enter your email, just go and click on next. Now it will ask you username. So basically this is a display name. You can enter your display name. If you want to skip, you can skip this because in the future we can always add it. Now this is a username. So this is very important because you just need to make sure just your username should be unique. Now my username is here. Now I will just go and create a password. So let's create a strong password here. And after that we have to go and click on next. Now it will ask you your date of birth, so you can just enter your date of birth here and click on create an account. Now it will ask you, wait, are you a human? So of course I am a human here. Now we have to just verify this up, and after that our account will be made. Now this is how you can make a new Discord account. It's really easy. Thanks for watching this video. If you need any help, let us know in the comment box. Subscribe.